Hello, this is Dr. Oz. This video, I would like to show you how to create frequency histograms for quantitative data. First, I would like to go to my Blackboard page to be able to download the data. And under Visualize Quantitative Data, you should be able to see for investmentdata.csv. Just click on the three little dots and then click on Download Original, and then click on that file to open it up. Once you open up this file, save as so that we can make some changes on this file. And I like to save it somewhere that I can find the file later on, and make sure that you save this file as a XLSX. Okay, so I just click save, and now it's a Excel file where I can make changes. Click on this top left corner to select the entire worksheet, and then go between any two letters, and then when you see the symbol, double click to adjust the width. Here you can see we have publicly traded companies and there's unique stock tickers, four letters. Control Shift down arrow, you can see that there are 50 companies in this spreadsheet. So now I would like to create a histogram. To do that, click on B1, Control Shift down arrow to select the entire column, and then insert. You should be able to see here an option called Insert Statistics Chart. And you can see here the histogram, which is the first option. When you click on it, this is the histogram of this data set. So let's put some titles on this histogram. So first of all, I would like to click over here, this chart elements button, and make sure that you check the axis titles. And here, what I would like to do is I would like to name this chart, double click, and here this chart is named annualized return. Okay, annualized return. And then the y-axis title, double click on it. These are the frequency numbers. And then here are the bins. So I don't necessarily need that title. So I will click on it and press delete button. Perfect. And then Control S to save it. Now I create this histogram. You can see that only a few companies generated annualized return of 15% or more. A majority of the companies generated returns between 4% to 15%. So now I would like to do the same thing for Sharpe ratio column. So to do that, I would just click on this chart. When you see this little black cross, click on that. Control C to copy this chart. Click on an empty blank cell and then Control V. Now, what I would like to do is, instead of reference annualized return, I would like to reference Sharpe ratio. So I will go over this array, blue array. When I see this black cross, I will just drag it to the right. And now I create the same histogram for Sharpe ratio. And then this time the title will be, double click, Sharpe ratio. And you can see that Sharpe ratios that are over 1.88 is very rare, and I think those are the ones that are probably better risk-adjusted returns that you can get. Okay, that's it for this video. Until next video, enjoy business analytics.